Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to teach you very interesting lesson. මං අදත් වෙනද වගේම ඔයාලට වැදගත් වන පාඩමක් අරගෙන තමයි අවිල්ල තියෙන්නේ. So today we are going to learn singular and plural nouns. මම මෙතන අද singular ඒ කියන්නේ ඒක වචන නාමපද කිහිපයක් අරගෙන තියෙනවා. ඒවා plural. Plural means බහුවචන. කොහොමද බහුවචන වෙන්නේ කියලා අන්නේ වචන ඉගෙන ගන්න තමයි මම අද මේ lesson එක ඔයාලට ඉදිරිපත් කරන්නේ. So first one, man. Man. The plural form men. Man, men. Next one, woman. Woman. The plural form women. Women. Man, men, woman, women. Next one, child. The plural form children. Children. Next one, person. Person. Plural form people. People. Next one, lady. The plural form ladies. Ladies. Next one, wife. Wife. Wives. 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 Next one, chief. Chief. Chief, chiefs. Chief, chiefs. Next one, leaf. Leaf, leaves. 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 Last one, foot. Feet. Feet. හොඳයි අපි නැවතත් මේ වචන ටික ප්‍රොනවුන්ස් කරලා බලමු. Man, men. Man, men. Woman, women. Woman, women. Woman, women. Child, children. Child, children. Person, people. Person, people. Lady, ladies. Lady, ladies. Wife, wives. Wife, wives. Leaf, leaves. Last one, foot, feet. Foot, feet. හොඳයි අපි නැවතත් ඒ වචන ටික බලමු. Man, men. Man, men. Woman, women. Woman, women. Next one, child, children. Child, children. Person, people. Person, people. Lady, ladies. Lady, ladies. Wife, wives. Wife, wives. Chief, chiefs. Chief, chiefs. Leaf, leaves. Leaf, leaves. The last one, foot, feet. Foot, feet. So today our lesson is end. ඉතින් මම හිතනවා ඔයාලා මේ lesson එකකින් වැදගත් දේවල් ටිකක් ඉගෙන ගන්න ඇති කියලා. So thank you for watching my video.